Here's what nobody tells you about being busy. Being busy doesn't make you unfit. What makes you unfit is believing fitness only counts when you're in the gym. I used to think if I missed a workout, the whole day was wasted. Ate something off at lunch? Day's gone. Skipped the morning session? Start again tomorrow. That all or nothing mindset is exactly what keeps people stuck in the same body for years while living the same schedule and blaming the same job. So today, we fix that. The morning sets everything, not because it's motivational, but because it's the only time your job can't take from you. Everything after that is negotiable. The morning isn't. So before the desk gets you, you move first. 500 skips with a jump rope. That's it. Takes under 10 minutes, but it wakes your entire system up. Heart rate climbs, coordination kicks in, your brain switches on before your inbox does. When I started doing this, it felt almost too simple to matter. But a couple weeks in, I noticed I wasn't dragging myself through mornings anymore. I'd already done something physical before most people even sat down. No rope? Do jumping jacks. Do it in your room, your kitchen, anywhere. Because once the day starts, your body stops being yours. Now you're at work, 8 hours. And this is where most people quietly give up without realizing it. You don't need a gym here. You need movement. Every hour, get up, walk. Take the stairs without negotiating with yourself. Go talk to someone instead of messaging them. These aren't hacks. This is your body asking to not be frozen in place all day. Then at lunch, find a quiet spot and run this. Wall sit, 60 seconds. Back flat, thighs parallel, legs shaking like you regret every life choice that led you here. The first time I held one after sitting all morning, my legs started burning way faster than they should have. That's when it hits you. It's not that your legs are weak, it's that they've been asleep all day. Now we go straight into desk push-ups. 15 reps, hands on the desk, body straight, chest down and up. Then standing calf raises, 20 each leg. Slow up, slow down. 3 rounds for 12 minutes. You still have time to eat and sit there like a normal person. I had a client who said he'd be embarrassed doing this. Told him to use the stairwell. 2 weeks later, he told me his lower back pain, something he'd had for years, was almost gone. Not because of some miracle exercise, because his body finally stopped being stuck in one position all day. After work is where the real session happens. And the only rule that matters is simple. Do not go home first. Every time I told myself, I'll just go home, change, then go. I didn't go, not once. Home is a trap. Once you sit down, it's over. So go straight from work, no detours. The workout itself stays simple. 4 exercises, 45 minutes. Goblet squat, dumbbell at your chest, feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Sit back and down, drive through your heels. 3 sets of 12. After a full day of sitting, the first set always feels stiff. Hips tight, movement awkward. Then by the second set, everything starts opening up and you realize how much sitting shut down. Romanian deadlift. 2 dumbbells, hinge forward, flat back, stretch your hamstrings, drive up. 3 sets of 10. Go slow on the way down, 2 to 3 seconds. I used to rush these until I actually slowed it down and felt my hamstrings properly load. That's when it stops being a movement and starts being real work. Dumbbell row. 1 knee on a bench, pull to your hip, control it down. 3 sets of 12 each side. 8 hours at a desk rounds your upper back more than you think. The first few reps of this feel like you're pulling yourself back into position. Push up to shoulder tap. Standard push up, then controlled shoulder taps at the top. 3 sets of 10. It looks simple until you try to stay stable. Your core lights up instantly. 500 skips in the morning. Movement during the day. 1 focus session after work. That's the entire system. The people who stay in shape while working full-time aren't doing more than you. They just stopped waiting for the perfect schedule and built fitness into the one they already had. You have the same 24 hours. You're just using them differently. Start tomorrow morning before the desk gets you.